Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new method to get Delta Executor on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on my iPhone, I already have it installed and it's working perfectly. The best part? This method is completely keyless, so you don't need to worry about entering any keys or doing anything complicated. You can use it right away. The whole process is super simple. Just watch the video and follow each step carefully. Once you're done, you'll have Delta Executor running on your device. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. Before we start, there are a couple of quick settings you need to change. This part is only for iOS users. If you're on Android, you can skip ahead to the next step. First, open your settings, go to General, and make sure background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps the app run smoothly in the background. Next, go into battery settings and turn off low power mode. Low power mode can slow things down, and we definitely don't want that. Once those settings are done, you're ready to continue. Now open your internet browser. In my case, I'm using Safari, and go to delta-install.com. This is the website where you can download Delta Executor. When you're on the site, you'll see some information about Delta and how it works. To download it, just tap the download button and choose your device, Apple or Android. The download might take a moment depending on your internet connection, but once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation page telling you the app has been installed and to check your home screen. At that point, Delta Executor should appear on your home screen and you're good to go. If this is your first time using the site, there may be a couple of extra steps. But don't worry, it's really easy. You'll be redirected to a page with a short video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. You'll just need to install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are safe and secure, so there's nothing to worry about. Just follow the instructions and you'll be done in no time. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.